Principal, Vice Principal Anujima, our KG Head Satyama, dear teachers, my dear little kids, a very warm good morning to all. Today I am going to introduce the topic hygiene, personal hygiene. Okay, the first point will be explained. Hayden Sharmin. Hayden, please come. Sit down. First point, brush your teeth. How many times do you brush your teeth in a day? We have twice a day. Hey, what do you mean by twice? Twice. Yes. Very good. 2 times. One in the morning, one at night. Okay. Point, bath daily. Do you bath daily? Okay. We have give full bath every day to keep us neat and hygiene. Okay. Thank you. Third point is trim your nails. Show me your nails. Here kids, trim your nails every weekend. Okay. The next point. Wear clean clothes. Always wear neat and clean clothes. Okay. Next point. Cover your mouth when sneeze and cough. Yes, wash your hands before and after eating. Okay, wash your hands. Are you doing every day? This topic is very clear to you. Let me remind, we have to give self-care. Self-care is equal to health care. Be good children by using very good health. Thank you.
So you have to take care of others first. Definitely take care of the others. So these personal hygiene that 5 points we taught us. Don't teach a single daughter, and we are thankful for teaching us the personal, the basic thing of personal hygiene. Thank you, Marcina. Good day, wonderful work.
Today marks the end of the assembly for this academic year, and VKG has given a beautiful closure to the assembly, last assembly for this academic year. Congratulations, Marcina, and this team.